reveals the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger for North America, bringing mid-sized truck fans a new choice from America's truck sales leader. One that's engineered-built Ford's tough and packed with driver assist technologies to make driving easier whether on or off-road. Production begins late this year at Ford's Michigan assembly plant as customer demand is growing for mid-sized trucks. U.S. sales are up 83% since 2014 as a new generation of mid-sized truck buyers seek more maneuverable, fuel-efficient pickups. The 2019 Ford Ranger answers the call with an all-new mid-size pickup featuring a new exterior design, chassis and powertrain developed specifically for North American truck customers. Powerful and strong, with a high-strength steel frame, Ranger is equipped with a proven 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine mated to the only 10-speed automatic transmission in the segment. Ranger has always held a special place in the hearts of truck fans, said Hao Tai-Tang, Ford Executive Vice President, Product Development and Purchasing. The all-new Ranger is designed for today's mid-sized truck buyer, delivering even more utility, capability and technology for those who blend city living with more off-the-grid adventures on weekends.